Hey and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you the what is martial law. Actually, you say if you have said saying that lots of posts are about martial law and Russia. In Russia today, Mr. Vladimir Putin is putting a martial law. So, why? What is martial law and how it's work and what is the right people will lose in martial law? I will discuss with you in this video. So please keep on my video and please subscribe to channel so for future updates. So here you can see that the Kremlin is about to declare a martial law. So if any country declare martial law, then what is the consequences of martial law? Actually martial law, so start from this, okay, so you can understand better what is martial law and how it will affect to the people of native people of Russia. So you can see, um, what is martial law. Okay, so here, what is martial law and how will what is martial law? Martial law is a substitution of a civil government by military authority with unlimited power to suspend the ordinarily legal protection of civilian rights. Actually, the civilian people, which is normal people of Russia, who has the right to live, right to protect themselves, and right to fight. These are the freedom which given by the constitution of Russia, and these are right actually provided by, if martial law imposed, then only military rights will happen and other rights are totally suspended and restrict uh, by the government or by the constitution, right? Okay, so this is the martial law. And if Russia, if actually already Russia implemented their martial law, and for this reason, maybe you can see in Russia, a civil war will happen in Russia, because if Russia, if Mr. Vladimir Putin put a martial law, then the civilian will hate more, and they out of their house and start chucking in the street, and they will start a fight with the military, government military, and start with support to Wagner group, and starting to kill the Vladimir Putin. So this type of situation will happen in Russia if this will happen, if martial law will implement. And if you see in a Russian army can just arrest anyone for 30 days, arrest anyone if out of, if suppose if you out a year from your house, and just a military see you, and after then just come and arrest you for 30 days. You can't resist them, you can't protect yourself from this, from the arrest, and you don't have any right to fight with the in legal terms. Okay, so this is the consequences of martial law. So, and I'll discuss with you the deep knowledge of martial law. You can see here what is the martial law, and I'll discuss with you that martial law is a substitution of a civil government by the military authorities with unlimited power to the suspend the ordinary legal protection of civilian rights. A state of martial law may be declared in response to a crisis imposed during a coup. Actually, the Wagner group in Russia already tried to capture the Moscow. For this reason, Vladimir Putin just declare a martial law for 30 days arrest if anyone suspicious find any people. So this is the reason, martial law. And understanding the martial law, if you see, the declaration of a martial law is a rare and momentous decision for a civilian government, and to take actually the Russian Federation is not a civilian government; it's a presidency government. Okay, and the Russia is around Vladimir Putin around ruling around 10 to 15 years in Russia. So this is, if you see, it's a dictatorship. It's not a civilian government. Okay, so if in democracy you can see the civilian government. So There is no democracy. So here the declaration of the martial law is a rare and momentous decision for a civilian government to make, and for good reason. When a martial law is declared with civilian control of some or all aspect of government operation is shaded into military. This means that in the case of elected government, the representatives chosen by the voting population are no longer in power. Civilians have ceded control of the country in exchange for the potential restoration of the order. With the possibility that control may not be reclaimed in future. When a martial law is declared, liberties such as right to freedom, right to free to move, right to speech, right to these are the liberties which we get in after born. You understand that the right to freedom, all the liberties we have in the constitution, right? So it can be suspended. The justice system that typically handles issue of criminal and civil law is replaced with a military justice system, such as a military tribunal. Civilian may arrested for violating curfews. In Russia, now arrested so violating the if you violate in Russia any curfew, then you will arrest for the 30 days terms. For the 30 days, you can be arrested if you go in Russia or roaming in the street. You can't you can't resist this actually. Okay, you don't have any right to resist in the court. So these are the happening in Russia, and these are the martial law is actually consequences of martial law. And when martial law is happening in the USA, it's a consideration that negative ramification martial law can have a country and its citizenship declared martial law is a last resort. Human situation is where the law order in 1892. The governor of Idaho instituted martial law after a group of rebellious mine worker blow up mill, which leveled a four-story building and killed several people. The martial law have declared and to resign the protest and ruin the protest and the civil unrest defected. These are the you can just search and read. So these are the consequences you can see, and if you see, if you are an investor, then you will see in future term that around your bank nifty, or if you see bond and Russian stocks will go deeper and down. You can see, and economy will blow up. Actually, monetary policy, all the situation will go down in the future terms. So this is the market actually. Okay, this is the news, and today for the if you like this video and subscribe my channel, subscribe for more, and I will make video at related video in this channel, and you can see in English only. I'm a Pankaj Roy, and I'm from India, and I'm just teaching law in this video and in this channel. So this is a small video. You can just see Dow Jones will today index falls breaking. Yeah, it's a 23 actually. Okay, so it's if you see Monday, you will see Dow Jones and other stock will go down because of this market situation. These consequences of the martial law. You will see if Russia will remove from the seat of president, then what will happen? You can't just describe. I can't describe. I can't imagine what will happen after if we remove Mr. Putin or killed by the military couple Wagner group. So this will not happen, I think, because in Putin hand also in Putin's hand also lots of power have right now, and he can just one sign they can just a missile will come and just kill all the soldiers. But Putin will not do because it's their soldier, and it's not outside of a country, outsider, not outside. It's they are just born by Putin hand, and they just right now want to kill the Putin. So this will happen in the politics. You can understand the politics. Every time will change the situation. So this is the rough, and thank you for the listening my video, and welcome to my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for the future. I just okay. I just stop this. How I'll stop? Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the stop system, and just stop it and stop.